Hello, this is Eric at the Prince Sherwood Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2013 Ram 1500, powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine, providing you with decent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with a soft-top tonneau cover on the back to keep your belongings covered and protected. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, where you have spacious seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And you have some storage bins underneath that as well, with two cup holders in the middle, so you can have some beverages back here. And looking into the front, you do have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 175,967 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your cruise controls as well as your manual gear shift buttons. And then on the left side you have your controls for your little center info screen here, where you can look at your digital speedometer. And then you have vehicle info such as tire pressures, some transmission temperature, oil pressure, oil life, battery voltage, all of your information there. You have your fuel economy, trip A and B information, messages such as warnings, and then screen setup and settings for your screen. But then moving on to your center, your Infotainment Center, which is radio Sirius and I believe auxiliary capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. Moving down, you have your further media controls, and then you have your climate controls just on 3 dials here. Very simple, easy to use. You have your hazards, you have your traction control shut off, and your tow haul mode button right there. To the left, you have your shifter on a dial, very convenient with your 4x4 controls, and on the right, you have a little cubby. Moving down, you have a 12-volt power outlet, and on the opposite side, you have another 12-volt as well. Then you have this compartment, which slides out with some difficulty, but it is there. And then last but not least, moving on to your center console area, where you have 3 cup holders, as well as your center compartment / armrest, with a USB, auxiliary, and 12-volt inside, so you can plug something into power or charge, or hook up your audio there. And then this does fold up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, but that should cover our look at the inside. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.